In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear archives in Proton Mail 2026. Archiving lets you hide emails from your inbox without deleting them. Over time, that folder can grow large, making it harder to find what you actually need. Clearing it is a quick way to declutter and free up space, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. Start by going to the Proton Mail website and signing in. On the homepage, you'll land in your inbox. Look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. You'll see familiar folders like Inbox, Drafts, Sent, Archive, Spam, and Trash. Click Archive to open it. That will load every message you've previously archived. Before we clear it, take a quick glance. You can sort by date or use the search bar at the top to spot any conversations you might still need. Remember, archived messages aren't deleted, they're simply removed from the inbox view, so you're just preparing to send them to trash. If you're part of an organization or use multiple Proton addresses, make sure you're acting in the correct mailbox. The folder name at the top confirms where you are, and bulk actions affect every conversation in that location. With the archive open, find the three-dot menu next to the archive label at the top of the message list, or next to the archive folder name in the sidebar, depending on your layout. Click the three dots to open more actions. Choose Move All to Trash. This action moves every message currently in archive to the trash. It won't affect emails and other folders, and your labels stay attached, which makes recovery easier if you change your mind. If you only wanted to clear part of the archive, you could select specific messages instead, but here we're clearing the entire folder. A confirmation dialog will appear asking if you're sure. Are you sure you want to move all messages in this location to trash? Read it carefully. This is your chance to back out if needed. If you're confident, click Move to confirm. After you confirm, Proton Mail will move those messages. If you have a lot, give it a moment to finish. You should see the archive count drop to 0, and if you open trash, you'll find the messages there. A quick safety note. Moving to trash does not permanently delete emails right away. They sit in trash until you empty it, and in many Proton Mail setups, trash is automatically cleared after about 30 days. If needed, you can restore messages from trash before they're removed. And that's it. You went to Proton Mail, open archive, used the three-dot menu, moved everything to trash, and confirmed the action. This is a clean, safe way to reset your archive and keep your mailbox organized.